The first advice I would give to someone who is willing to engage is that process is focus on the discovery process. It's very important to be sure you're going in the right direction and addressing actual needs of your people. Second is make sure that the people you train know the direction in which you want to bring them. The third advice I would give is have a transparent relationship with value partnership. Don't hesitate to challenge them the way you challenged us, because it was very constructive and helped us create a very strong program.
You've got to go in with an open mind, and you've got to encourage open-mindedness with all of your team. You have to build trust. You have to build trust with the people that you're bringing in from outside, and you have to build trust with the people that you work with. And actually, we use value partnership to help rebuild that trust. You still need to change. And in fact, as you know, I'm going on a coaching course in a couple of months, which is a direct result of actually looking at, okay, how do you do that? You can improve it.
Be patient, be brave, and don't be afraid to try something different.
We've talked about the relationship between you and I and how that's been at the heart of this relationship, but it's about more than that, isn't it?
It is. What I've tried to explain to my people is they really need to be open for any kind of outside views. They have to take outside advice on board, and I think you always can learn from other people, and that is what we have changed within Typico, and that has been quite successful for the entire company.
Yeah, we've tried to build that receptivity to change that is a bit uncommon in my experience, getting people to really open up.
It is. I think it was my job to build a great management team and to make sure that these people become really successful, but where you have really helped us is to build a great amount of trust amongst the people, and that is what we really have achieved.
What have I learned from this? So much since 2013. I mean, it's like I've been running a different business actually since then. The importance of having a third party like yourself to be able to coach and mentor me and the team and develop the team as the business has progressed. I think the importance of having a clear strategy, the importance of having a team that is actually functioning as a team ultimately, that is working towards the same goal, that is bought into the same ideas. As I say, it feels like a totally new business that we're running today.
I think it's all about the people, and I think that any sort of work delivery problem that you have in the business, it generally comes back to people. What we're looking for when we interview, what are the sorts of critical questions that we ask? Not only can you do the job, tick, but actually what sort of person are you? Because if we get that wrong, no matter how good they are at the job, they just won't fit.
My memory of working with all of you is that actually you were quite similar to other executive teams, which is, to begin with, you wanted to know exactly how long it was going to take and exactly what the process should be. And it doesn't work like that. There's an art to what we were doing. It's not really a science. And we wanted you to learn how to do it for yourselves. And we didn't want to just tell you what to do, because you wouldn't have been building all the capabilities to lead future changes if we'd done that. You
had the wisdom, courage, combination of those things, I guess, to take a long view, not many people would, and also to take a broad view of what needed to change. And that has created an opportunity to transform a company. It's that vision that has created that space for us to work in. So I will always be grateful for this experience because it's been incredible.
Thanks very much for saying it, but on the other hand, I would phrase it in a way like our industry, we have taken a bet on you, and fortunately we won that bet.